I think it's important at this time of year, as we get closer to our on-ice sliding season, that it's all hands on deck.
So we're cutting out some fiberglass now, and we're putting it in a layout here. So it'll be different sizes for what we really need, and then you're gonna have a bunch of layers here. And with that, you're gonna put it in a mold, and then with the mold, you're just gonna layer one, put some resin on, and then put the next layer on, and eventually they'll dry up afterwards and pop out to be a full shell like we have over there.
The twill fabric from Fibre Glast is very important for what we do in the complex corners and shapes that we build our slides out of.